What is up, guys? It is your boy, the Wolfgang here, and today we are gonna go on a new server because the idiot on that server wiped it when no one knew about it. He just wiped it completely, and I lost everything. So we're starting new. It said fresh wipe. There we go. This chicken could be good. Did I get any animal fat? No animal fat whatsoever. Alright. But we're starting off fresh. Where's that heli at? Now, we're gonna time ourselves for 30 minutes. We're only recording for 30 minutes, so hold up, guys. Alright. Cause our videos are getting too long. And whenever you got like a decent amount of subscribers, you gotta sort of go on a schedule. You can't like make them like so long and stuff. People won't watch them to the fullest. Oh yeah, guys, stay till the end. I'm giving away some a fidget spin, 2 fidget spinners. So if you want that, stay to the end, and you shall see. You shall win the fidget spinner. There is so much corn in this field. Holy crap, it's like unreal. I think I may put this there, something like that for the noobs. Or like for the beginners. Or I shouldn't say noobs. Well, I'm a noob. I can't even freaking grab this freaking piece of corn. What the freak? Alright, let's go. Let's get it. I'm drowning. I'm wet. Help me. Help me. I can't swim. Help me. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Jesus, mate. I appreciate it, mate. Main. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, guys, leave in the comments too. Tell me if it's if the graphics are a little bit better, guys. Tell me that. And let's hit 3 likes on this video, guys. I won't give away 2 a blue fidget spinner and a red fidget spinner. I won't give them away unless you hit that like button. Let's get 4 likes and then I'll give away it. Alright, 4 likes and someone will get a blue or a red. You're just gonna have to contact me on my Instagram, and my Instagram will be in the link down below. DM me saying a message and saying, "Oh, I want the red and blue fidget spinner," and you got a deal. At the night show. At the night show. I swang by an accident. Here, we're gonna make a couple bandages before. Whoa, look how much corn we have. That's unreal right there. Oh, that's funny. We're gonna make 3 for right now. And a hatchet. Oh, we can make a bow. Stone. Alright, let's hit a rock for some arrows too. It's a nice 1x1 right here. Oh, and there's a well too, but I don't want to go down there. That's pretty scary. I mean, it's not scary, but probably even if they're online, they're probably on right now. I'm not sure though. I'm scared, dude. I want to die. Like, alright, we need, hold on. We're gonna make some bow and arrows. We're gonna make a couple arrows, guys. I don't think it has a door, does it? That door's open. Bunch of keys in here. Holy crap. Nothing. They left nothing behind. It could have left like some stuff. Oh, there's like another key. I wonder if they have like a secondary base. Can I pick this up? No, I'm wondering if it has a secondary base, but I am not sure. Alright guys, let's get it. Let's get a house set up, a little house. And I found a cheaper house. It's a crap shack. Crap shack. Yep, we're gonna build a crap shack right now, and then until we get some good resources, we're gonna build a nice little. I think I might look at a trap house, maybe. We need some loot. We haven't killed nobody on here. We gotta kill some people. Oh crap! Stopwatch. Why you do this to me? We're at 7 minutes right now, guys. Crap, do we want to live near the desert? Oh crap, my gift. Someone sent me a message on Instagram. I feel like they have another base somewhere though, because that's like, they made so many keys. Like, three arrows will do right now. That was a perfect jump. Man, that was like, I'm drowning. Where am I going? Alright, let's keep our bow out real fast, just in case. Because I know there's a total of 10 people in this server. So I'm kind of scared. I'm kind of scared. Holy crap. Guys, that is a base. That's a huge clan. We're definitely not moving here. I don't want to get raided to bits and pieces and cheeseburgers, whatever the freak. Is that a base? I'm not sure. But there's tons of barrels here, so let's get the barrel. Let's get these barrels. Let's check this warehouse or whatever. I heard that and I'm out. Whenever you hear that, guys, you gotta move out of that. That's metal ore. That look like freaking stone to me. But I don't know. I'm very cautious. Hopefully, if that stone house, it has, that's like some damage going. They might have honestly. Yep, we're gonna go in the forest and start on a house, guys. We need a house. So I'll say, I'm naked, and then I say, can you give me some stuff, please? I'm gonna troll him so hard, shoot him right in the back of the head. Nice, got 50 stone. Crack, 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 crack. Main. We have 85 wood, so we can make some paper. Why am I hitting with a rock? You need some wood. Because then it is easier to start a base, guys. I think I'm gonna live right up on that mountain. We gotta be careful though. Because there's been a lot of raidings going on. So we need to be careful about raidings. Is that an animal? Oh no, it's not no animal. Alright, guys. Once you get a rad suit or something like that, you will go into that area, but how much sulfur do we have? We have 200. That's plenty for us. I don't even have a base set yet. Alright, come on, thumbprint. Let's go. Hold up. Alright, we're at 13 minutes. We gotta get a house up right now. Fast. No, we're gonna do a doorway here. And a doorway. Crap, what do I just do? Crap. Can't afford. Crappy doodles. Just gotta move around when we hit it, so you don't get hit in the back. Alright guys, so far we're doing pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, we are doing pretty good. Okay, we want to get some doors up real fast. There we go. Couldn't find doors. Door. Cloth, we need 100 wood. We need a lot of wood. Here we go, just wood and arrows. Can we only make one? How much stone do we have? We have 500, so we're gonna need a lot more. We need a we need a fully upgraded. Whoa, what the? Oh crap, time was almost up. No, we'll go for 25 minutes in each video. But yeah, guys, stay to the end. I am going to give you instructions how to win a fidget spinner, a red or a blue one fidget spinner. So stay till the end. Whoa, just in the wrong button. Yeah. If I saw someone, I would just be like, I never hit a bow in this game. Gonna be new. Load in everything, please. Alright, got our first door down. You gotta make sure you place this right. Yes, we placed it right. Gonna need an animal of some sort. That's a horse. That's gonna be hard. So you don't mess with Hunter Joe, boy. Give me all that animal fat. Here we go. Guys, we need some stone. We can kill this, I guess, too. Finally! Lord, that took ages. Got tons and tons of metal ore. Oh, that was a boar, man. I thought that was a wolf. I could have easily came up and killed that, man. Nice, so we got tons of meat. Alright, we go. We need a TC down, so let's get some more wood. Make a TC. And now time to get tons and tons of wood. "20 minutes, guys. 20 minutes. Hey, yeah. What up? Heart sipping on hot heart. Sipping. Hopefully sipping. Hopefully we're not gonna get targeted mainly. I hope we're not. Let's pray. Hey, but tomorrow I think we're gonna go go get some tons of stone, upgrade our base to stone, and then see if we can get a furnace. Yeah, that's mainly what we're gonna do. Crap, we don't have... What the heck? What the heck? I crafted a TC. What? Bruh, now we gotta get everything else? What is this freaking gay crap right here? Just help us. Sweet. Freaking retard. Oh, tool covered. Here it is. Found it. I don't know. No. Bam, we got 1,000 wood left. Alright. To make everything else. In the desert, it's hard to get. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna go like right here. And authorize. Here we go. Alright, let's get a sleeping bag. Check. Let's get another hammer. Check. Let's get a couple of these. Let's get like 2 of these so far. We don't have enough. And let's get one of these. Check. And let's get one of these. Check. Okay. We do not have enough space for that. Got 20 something animal fat. Let's see if we can. Low grade. How many can we make? You can make 50. You can make 11. Oh, we need to place this down right now. Right, and the tube covered is. Hey, nice. I like this. We can make maybe a hidden chest right here. Honestly, actually. All right, here we go. All right, so here we go. Let's start upgrading. Yay, perfect. It's getting out of Is this a cave, guys? Yo, this is straight up a cave. Tomorrow we will explore this. Yes, guys, we found a cave. Let's get it. Got 800 wood, that's not a lot. I'm gonna upgrade everything to wood. Like, chugga.
Tickle my prickle.
Tickle my prickle. Dude, what we really need to do is right here. Bro, I'm tired of getting wood. Of all our good stuff. Right, here we go. R to rotate. No, you can't squeeze it in, dang it. That sucks. Balls. Alright, we're gonna put a chest right in front of it. And another one right here. Or What are these? Oh. Dang, I had some more low grade in it. Anything I can place? Nope. So what we're gonna do now is pick up that door. And we're gonna put all this food in there. Oh, plus the animal fat in this. And this. And this. And this. And this. Alright, that's I can keep. Perfect. I need 25 to create. Bro, this game's. Let's go, guys. Let's get tons and tons of wood. Let's get like 2 trees and then we should be done. And then that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. And then I'm gonna explain how you guys can get the fidget spinners. The fidget spinners. Well, that's a fail. We sort of might have some wood. Yeah, we have 600. We should have enough. Like, honestly, dude. Like, what the heck, bro? Like, what the hey, bro? Oh, my God. Close it, they're coming. Okay. See, look, you can rotate. I think it's this. Get some cloth. Hold up, it gives us 4? Hold up, per low grade? What? Yo, we're making it right now. Guys, we're making a furnace real fast. $200 stone, 200 wood. Crap-a-doodles. Can we make a rock? We're back to a rock, guys. We go back to a rock. A rock. Rock. Ow! I just popped my fingers. Ah, that hurt. Ah. Alright, nice. We got all this low grade. Oh, nice. Rock is here. Alright, let's get this whole tree. 10 hits is 100, so we need 20 hits. 200. Alright, let's get it, let's go, let's go, let's get it. How much wood do we got? We got 300, but we're just gonna get this whole tree because we need some wood anyway. Alright, nice. Oh, let's find a node now. That's the hard part. That's metal. We have tons and tons of... That's a supply drop, but that's near, dude. That is so close. Why does it have to be so close? Alright, let's drop all this and this. You can drop off the metal too. Okay, I was about to say, what happened to all our metal and stuff? Where's it spawning in? You can get into that one, you can't get into the other one, I don't think. Ah, that's a sulfur node. Like, we don't want to act like we're actually going near, because we're not. Alright, guys, come on. Come on. Come on. We need this. We need this furnace. This will help us smelt everything. This is gonna be my first furnace I ever crafted. There's no nodes spawning near us. Like, what the heck? You definitely need nodes that spawn near us. Like, that's a... Oh, yes. Nice. We got 80 at the house. Still not being... Won't be enough. We just need some a little bit more. Oh, there's a pumpkin. That's actually pretty good. But they're all down on the floor, like stone and stuff like that, and sulfur, metal. Like, look at this, it's all, whoop. See if we do have enough, guys. Crap. Are you freaking kidding me, dude? We don't need this video too long. Yep, tomorrow we are going in that cave. Yes, we got it. Here we go, guys. Yes, we got it. We got it, guys. We got it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Oh, what was that? Woo. Alright, guys. Well, I'm going to end this video off right here. But if you enjoyed it, please smash that like button. Let's hit 4 likes on this video, guys, today. And make sure you subscribe too. And if you want to enter in my giveaway, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and in the description my Instagram name is gonna be in, and then you have to DM me, send a message and saying that you want it. Okay, that's all you have to do, guys. That is all you have to do. And then I'm gonna choose a winner by, by tomorrow. Yeah. No, not by tomorrow. Not by tomorrow. By, what should I say it? I'll say, yeah. What is today right now? Friday. I'm giving, Friday, there's gonna be a winner. So you better hurry up, guys. Comment. Alright, guys, I'm gonna end this video off right here. If you enjoyed, smash that like button and make sure you subscribe, guys. Bye.